so for number 3, we need to use a cylindrical shells method to calculate a volume of revolution. So we have a couple of bounds. We have y equals 2 plus x minus x squared, and again, like in the previous problem, it's wise to keep, or in the problem number 1, I'm sorry, it's wise to keep in mind what shape these graphs are. So this is an upside down parabola. And then our second one, it's written as x plus y equals 2, but let's rearrange that in terms of y. So we get y equals negative x plus 2. This is a line looking like that. Again, if you have these two and they're enclosing a region of area, it's safe to say that the parabola has got to be higher than the line, or else you wouldn't have area enclosed. So, since we were given no other horizontal and vertical lines for that. So we want to rotate this about the y-axis. So our rotation line is x equals 0, the y-axis. So we need to use the cylindrical shells method. So we need to know two things for that. We need to know what is our height function and what are our bounds of integration. So in order to get the bounds of integration, we need to set these two equal to each other and solve that. So if we set 2 plus x minus x squared equals to negative x plus 2, we can solve for x here. Let's move everything over to the right side. You can see that the 2's are going to cancel out. And we're going to get x squared minus 2x, x times x minus 2. So that tells us x equals 0, and 2 are points of intersection. So we know now that our integral is going to be from 0 to 2. So the last thing for the cylindrical shells method, remember that our basic formula is that we're integrating 2 pi x h dx. Where h is the height, in other words, the distance from our top and part of the enclosed area to the bottom. Since we know that this is higher than this, our h is going to be the difference between those. So h is going to be 2 plus x minus x squared minus negative x plus 2. The top function subtracted, and then subtract the bottom function. So if we do that here, these 2's are going to cancel out. 2 minus 2. We're going to get negative x squared plus 2x. So that's our height. So now we just need to write this in the correct form here. So we have 2 pi x, and our h is negative x squared plus 2x dx. And if you evaluated that integral, that would give you the volume rotated around x equals 0, so horizontally. And that is the form the answer is in there on the test answer choice B.